So we're going to be talking about something that is not usually being discussed. You know, I am Mel's Beauty, I'm different, and I would like to get into the minds of every skincare person that is trying to figure out one thing or the other. So the question is, can I use Tretinon on my boobs? If you have stretch mark on your breast, is it advisable to apply Tretinon tube on your breasts? Well, this question has come up a lot, in even on my YouTube video. A lot of people ask this same question: is it advisable to apply Tretinon on your breast to treat the stretch mark on your breasts? Now let's look into it. Hi guys, my name is Mel, and in this video you're going to be learning if it's safe for you to apply Tretinon on your breast. If you have any side effects, if it's going to backfire, because the breast is one of our very delicate parts of we women. You know, it's a very delicate part. So I agree with you, but let's go into it. Yes, you can use Tretinon on your boobs. Another question you might want to ask me: is it not being absorbed into the skin? Well, any skincare we apply is actually being absorbed into the skin, but it is minimal. Since you are going to be using a very small amount, it's going to be absorbed into the skin, but it's very minimal, and because of it is minimal, it doesn't have much side effects. However, please, if you are breastfeeding or you are pregnant, please avoid using Tretinon. Avoid it. There are other options you can go for, which is the Palmers, which is the aloe vera, pure argan oil, castor oil. You can go for all those options. Watch shea butter, go for those options, and even my Vaseline. You know, you can go for all those things. But when it comes to Tretinon, retinol, any form of retinol and Tretinon at all, please stay away from them. Where can I safely apply this Tretinon or retinol? You can safely apply this on the upper region of the breast here, on the upper chest region. You can apply it to this region as well, but please stay away from the nipple area. But you can apply it anywhere above your upper breast region, because at the nipples our skin is more thin and is more sensitive and more delicate in that area. So always do a patch test and always moisturize well after. So now, how can you use Tretinon on this area? So I'm going to teach you how you can use Tretinon on this area so that it will not react, because this our breast is these boobs are very delicate. The first thing to do is to go with the minimum amount of strength. You go with the 0.0025. You go with 0.025. You first of all, you can apply your moisturizer first. You can apply either your moisturizer, a moisturizer you use on your face, a fragrance-free moisturizer, a highly moisturized one. Either you apply your moisturizer first, or if you have hyaluronic acid, you apply hyaluronic acid serum there first. Then you go in with a pea size, like I always said. You don't need to press the bottle. When you open it, it comes out by itself. So you go in with the pea size, then you apply on it. Then you can still apply a Cicaplast balm on top. This is by La Roche-Posay. So this is more safer to use if you know you are very skeptical about using Vaseline, because not everybody will want to put the Vaseline on their boobs, you understand. So if you want to be more safer and you want to be more health conscious, you go in with creams like this, La Roche-Posay, or you go in with your normal moisturizer. Always start very small, only apply at night. Start from 2 times a week. You can then increase it to 3 times a week and give it space. Please give it space. Please avoid Tretinon if you know you are having irritation on that place, eczema. Please discontinue. And in the daytime, never skip your sunscreen. Especially we that we go out with our boobs with this kind of clothes. Never skip your sunscreen. Make sure you apply your sunscreen and even cover that place, because sunscreen is not even enough. Like now, when I want to go out, I take a scarf to cover this if I'm not going out in the night, because I'm stepping out in the night. That's why I'm going to go out like this. So make sure you cover your skin with a scarf, with a hat, with something. You know, don't just leave it there. Wherever you apply Tretinon, please cover it up, even if you apply sunscreen, because if you don't, it's going to come back worse. You know, it will come back worse. What can we expect after doing this? We're going to expect peeling. So peeling after using Tretinon is normal. Many people come to my DM and say, oh, it's peeling. Oh, it's peeling. Am I doing it right? Am I doing it wrong? No, you're on the right track. So peeling after Tretinon is normal. So Let me give you a quick tip you can do when you notice that your skin is already peeling from Tretinon. Make sure you are moisturizing heavily with CeraVe, with your Nivea, with your Garnier vitamin C, anything you are using, any lotion you are using. Make sure you are moisturizing heavily, like morning, afternoon, night, if possible. You are moisturizing that place to make it moist so that the peeling will be minimal. And please do not expect result overnight. Whenever you are treating stretch mark, be consistent. Don't expect result overnight. If you start peeling, it is now the right time to reduce the frequency. Probably you're using it 3 times a week. You can take it down to once a week or twice a week. So whenever you're using Tretinon and you notice any peeling, it is time to maybe reduce the frequency, calm down a bit. And whenever you are using Tretinon or any part of your body, avoid harsh cleansers, avoid exfoliating cleansers. Make sure you opt for gentle cleansers. Anything gentle, hydrating, that's what you should opt for. Don't opt for cleansers that contains BHA, AHA, arbutin, salicylic acid. No, they're going to overload that area. As far as you notice that you're already peeling on that area, make sure you discontinue. Please discontinue. Whenever you are using Tretinon, please don't add your Tretinon with vitamin C or AHA or alpha arbutin or any other. Don't use Tretinon with any actives at all except hyaluronic acid or ceramide. Yes, those are the 2 best actives you can add whenever you are on Tretinon. And there's one other I'm trying to remember. I'll put it up here. So those are what you can add whenever you're using Tretinon to help to buffer the strength. Like I said, if you know that you want to begin Tretinon, the best way to use it is moisturizer, Tretinon moisturizer. And lastly, use SPF. SPF is a must. Even if you are inside your house, you will use that SPF. Yes, SPF is a must. Am I the only one that I'm scared to use Tretinon on my face? You guys, see my skin. I have never applied Tretinon on this skin. Whenever I hear Tretinon, my hand is shaking. On this my face, my hand is always shaking, because I think there was one time I tried this, I was not purging very badly. I said, oh more, please, I beg. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, please like and subscribe, leave a comment, and thank you so much for riding by me.